Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify errors with store redirects. So to fix this error, you will first need to open your Shopify store and then simply click on the settings. So you can find this on the main page on Shopify. So click on settings. Once you click on it, you will simply need to click on apps and sales channels. So once you click on it, you will basically see all the sales channels that you are using. So you will need to click on online store. Once you click on online store, you will have the option saying open sales channel. So you'll just need to click on this and then it's going to take you to a page where you can actually manage this. So from here, you will need to click on navigation. So just under online store. So click on it and then it's going to open you the navigation page. So from the top right, you can see the option saying view URL redirect. So you'll just need to click on this and here you go. Basically, this is the page where you can fix the error that you are getting. So you will find this here. You can simply find this page by following the steps that I just have showed you. Super easy and simple.